My name is Lilish. In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful texture pattern. I'm calling it Easy Front Post Mosaic Stitch. It is simple, but it looks amazing. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I am using yarn number 4, fundamental cotton, with a 4mm hook. We're going to start by making slip knot. Once we have the slip knot, we adjust them, and we are going to work in multiples of 4 for this stitch. So let's go ahead and make as many stitches as you want, multiples of 4. So that's 4. I am going to make 36. And once I have those 36, I'll see you for the next step. I completed 36 chains. Now I am going to make one more to start the first row with single crochet. In this stitch, the second one from the hook, we're going to start the single crochet, and we're going to make one single crochet for every stitch that we have available. We're going to do the traditional way in the top loop here of the chain. So let's go ahead and make 36 single crochet in total, and I'll see you on the other end when we are ready to come back. I completed my 36 single crochet. Now that we completed our first row foundation for our single crochet, we're going to analyze this quickly. Every stitch has these two loops. In this case, this is the back loop, this is the front loop. When we turn our work, now we have here the front loop and the back loop. So we're going to work in the front loop for this row of single crochet. We're heading back, and we bring this yarn from the back, and we do our first single crochet in the front loop. So we're not doing both loops, we're only working in this loop right here. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to continue doing this. Notice here that my preferred method of holding the hook is this way, but when working on this loop here, it is better to go this way. That's my preference, that is not required. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with all of these single crochet all the way to the other side, and I'll see you there. I completed my second row of single crochet. This is what I have. So now we're going to turn our work, and in the first stitch right there, taking both loops, these are the two loops plus the loop in the hook, we're going to make a regular single crochet. We're going to go ahead and do 4 of those, 1 per stitch. Now that I have my 4 single crochet, so now for the front post, we're going to yarn over, and we're going to use this stitch right there, bring the yarn from the back, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is my first front post double crochet. So make sure that you're leaving 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you're working on your 5th one. Now we continue for every stitch available. We're going to make 4 in total of these front posts, and right here we complete. Right here we complete with 4 front posts. So now we have to make sure that we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the back. This is 4. So my next stitch will go right here in the 5th one. So when this goes up, that's my next stitch. And what am I going to do there is single crochet right there, and we're going to make 4 single crochet. That's 2, 3, and 4. Beautiful. So now we yarn over and we continue. So we're going to leave, make sure you leave here 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the next stitch will go right here. Notice there, because we're leaving 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we go ahead and do right there a front post. That's 1, the next one. That's 2 for the next one. 3, and we need 1 more right here, and that is 4 double crochet. So we made 4 single crochet. For the next step, make sure that you have here that you're leaving 4, meaning 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to use it right here. It's our next stitch. So we go ahead and yarn over, use the stitch, and complete our first front post double crochet. We go to the next one. That's 2, 3, 4. So now make sure that you're only leaving 4 in the back. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Our next stitch is gonna go right there, and that is single crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to count here from our stitch that we completed. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our next stitch is going to go here, and that's our front post. That's 1 double crochet front post. That's 2. This is 3, and this is 4. We finish here with 4 single crochet. We turn our work, and now we're going to go ahead and just go back with the front loop only single crochet. So we go ahead and work all our front loop only single crochet, whatever is best way to use the hook to hold the hook on your end, and I'll see you in the other end. I completed my 36 stitches single crochet going back. So now we're going to turn our work, and we're going to start with 4 single crochet regular using the 2 loops of the stitch. So this is 3 and this is 4. Now here my next step is yarn over, and we're going to use this guy over here, and we're going to create a front post right there. So that is front post number 2 and 3 and 4. So now make sure that you skip 4 stitches in the back, and now we work in the single crochet right there, and this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. For the next one, yarn over, we use the same method, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we're going to do a front post in the prior front post. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we are at this next step with single crochet 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step, front post, and it is repetition all the way. See you shortly. I completed this row looking beautiful, so now we're going to turn our work and we're going to start in the same method, in the front loop only. We work in the front loop only our single crochet, and we're going to go all the way and come back. When I'm in the next step, I'll see you shortly. I completed all of the single crochets for this row, so now we're going to chain one, turn our work and yarn over. In this right here, in the first one, we're going to bring it like this. We're going to wrap around because we're going to make our first front post in that stitch right there. Go to the next one and we do front post. We're going to make 4 front post. That's 3, one more, 4 front post, and now we're going to do 4 single crochet. Now that we have those 4 single crochet, yarn over, and we're going to do front post in this right here, these 4 stitches. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 single crochet right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look. So now we are where we have the front post. Now we're doing single crochet. Right here we had single crochet, we're doing front post, and we'll continue that way like that. I'll see you here. Now that I'm here at the end, what we're going to do is grab this last stitch, the last loop right there, and go ahead and bring it over so it's not hanging. So now we have 3 loops in the hook and we close it, we complete it, so that way it's secure here in the back. So in the way back, we're going to do single crochet. So we turn our work and we do single crochet in the front loop only, and we'll go ahead and do that, and I'll see you on the other end. We completed the single crochet. Now we chain 1, so we do chain 1 and we do the front post right here. We grab it and we do the double crochet front post. We go to the next one, and the rest from here is repetition. So we'll go ahead and do this 4 front post and 4 single crochet, and right here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochet, and the next one is a front post right here. And with this I will continue, and pretty much is repetition, and this is our pattern. Beautiful.